A Day in My Life as a Crafter. Meron tayong upcoming event on October 5, another Beads and Charms on site. Ang team natin is Kerbear. If you are my follower, meron tayong ginawa na previously na charms using shrink plastic. So sa isang shrink plastic sheets, nakagawa tayo ng 4 na image. At nag-set tayo dito ng 3 minutes sa ating oven. And here, I use acrylic pen to pen para kulayan ang likod ng ating image or ang ating shrink plastic. Ayan naman ang result after natin kinulayan ang back portion ng ating charms. So as you can see, visible na ang ating design. So part na to is maglalagay na tayo ng ring sa mga butas ng ating charms. So make sure na lang i-punch na natin before natin ipasok sa ating oven. If nakalimutan nyo naman magbutas dito guys, magsindi lang kayo ng candle, then itapat nyo lang yung needle, na every needle na malalaki, itapat nyo lang sa apoy ng candle, then butasin nyo na yung charm. Para-para lang to guys! After natin nabigyan ng ring, then ilagyan na lang natin ng ball chain. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching. God bless.